Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladi's of Technology YouTube channel. I am Vijay. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's discuss today's topic. Today I will explain Fibonacci series, how to write the Fibonacci series example in Java. Two ways is there. We can discuss two ways. One is for loop, using for loop and we need to display, and another one is while loop. We can use while loop and we can display the Fibonacci series. How Fibonacci series display, we will explain. Fibonacci series, Fibonacci example. This is a class name. I will create class name, and then I will create main method. Then I will create main method. First I will declare n equal to 10, a equal to 0, b equal to 0, c equal to 1. Then I will declare for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. Now here a equal to b. We need to store b value into a. You need to swap. So b is equal to c. Finally c is equal to a plus b. We need to add a plus b. Then we can display the value. I will display a value. See, now we can check the output. What is the output of this one here? What is error? See here, I done one mistake, comma. We need to give comma. Now we can check. See, now is coming Fibonacci series. I will display single line. That's why I need to remove ln. Here we need to. Now we can check. See, now is coming Fibonacci series using a for loop. Then next I will explain the while loop, how to implement the Fibonacci series using while loop. Actually, I will create one method for this one. I will create one method for this one. Reflections. Extract method. You can select extract method. Here method name is for loop method. For loop logic. I will give for that logic. Click OK. Continue. See, now is created one method. I will create one more method like this only. Private static void while loop int n into b into c. We'll give this one. I will declare int a while loop I less than equal to n. I will declare I also. I will declare I also here. I n. Now similarly, you no need to change. A is equal to b, b equal to c, c equal to a plus b. Now I return the sysout. Same sysout you can return a plus. Here after this we need to use the increment operator I plus plus. Here we are using here increment operator. That's why no need to write after this one. Here we need to write increment after here. That's why here we need to write increment after here. Now we need to declare 0. to declare 0 is equal to 0. Now I will write a for loop. We can follow this format. No need to write this format here. While loop, NBC. Now we can check here. We can write sysout, so better understanding purpose. Sysout for loop logic. Write for loop logic. Similar, I will copy and paste. And here I will declare while loop, while loop, while loop. Now we can check both values is coming same or not, or any difference between. Here I will write slash and I remove ln. I will remove ln. Why means it is coming next line. That's why I remove ln. We can check now. See here, both are coming same. Here while loop coming same line. I will give slash n for here. Slash n means next line it will come. Now we can check this one. What is the output of this one? See here come. This is a Fibonacci series. Fibonacci numbers is displaying, giving 10 numbers. I will give 10 numbers. That's why coming 10. I will give 20 means it will come 20 Fibonacci series. See here is coming 20 Fibonacci series. See, this is the way to implement Fibonacci series using for loop and while loop. You can easily understand this Fibonacci series.
If you need more information about this topic, could you please ping me in the below comment box? Could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching.